welcome to today's video. I think this is going to be the second video of the day, actually for the first time in a while. And that's because I got something in the mail I'm excited to share with you guys. I was able to get early access to the Ofra Black Friday mystery box, and I just checked online and it's still available. That's what made me rush. Well, I didn't rush too fast. I actually used all the products in the box so I could tell you about it. So it's still available, and also Ofra's having a 40% off sale site-wide. So when I was getting ready, I also took swatches of all the Ofra highlights I have, all the Ofra lipsticks, and I have a lot. There's a whole bag here, so I'll be inserting some clips. There's a few things I have from Ofra that I did not yet take photos of if I don't get it done by the time this video is up. So I'll put everything, all the photos and videos I already took and anything I take in the future of these products on my Instagram highlight reel, so it'll be like the swatch reel. And even if you don't have Instagram, you will be able to view it there. So this costs $29, and to be honest, I'm not sure if the 40% off goes towards this too. If it does, that's awesome. If not, Ofra has a bunch of codes available. I think I saved 20 or 30% when I bought this, so I will leave a few codes down below, but you can just Google Ofra promo codes. But again, they might not be valid if that 40% is applied. You'll have to try it out yourself. Just shoot me a DM if you need any help. So I'm gonna link this down below along with Ofra's website, and let's get started. So there are 4 items in here, and I think 3 are considered full size, but pretty much they're all full size to me. So they're all kind of open. I took out all the packaging. They're packaged really well. So I took out all the packaging since I used all of the items. So before I got this box, I only knew of one item. They gave a spoiler that we were getting an eyeshadow palette, and that is what really like pushed me to purchase this, because I've been wanting to try Ofra's formula. I love their liquid lipsticks and their highlights so much. Like, I really do like Ofra. I actually recently had a video, they had a mystery bundle or something recently. No, build your own kit. So I did that recently, video. So I can link that down below too if you want to see those items or me talking about them. Yeah, I really like Ofra, but I've never tried their eyeshadows. So the spoiler showed a cool toned eyeshadow palette, which I really dig cool tones. So I don't know how amazing my look is today. One, I could see that I'm sweating already. And also because I used all the items in the box, they weren't like perfectly coordinated, but I must say I do like this palette. And this is a limited edition Black Friday palette. And this is the outside, nice and shiny and fun. And on the back it talks about, or it says the shade names. So there are 9 shades in here, and it says it's smoky and it has a mirror. Stay in black or try white after Labor Day in this palette of cool tones that scales from our deepest black to a shimmery pearl shade. Achieve a wash of color for a classic smoky eye, or a classic smoky eye with this lightweight compact that is easily refillable. That's another pro with Ofra products. You can refill things and you don't have to buy like the packaging, you just get like the unit. So this is what it looks like. So there is a mirror, and like it's like hollow, is that what you call it, hollow? So I did swatch, I think I've said that like 500 times, the shade, so hopefully you guys can see it now. Let me hold it up better though. So I went in with, oh, I should tell you that first. I forgot I had this. The first thing I used today, because I do my eyes first, was the Ofra primer. This is their eye gel primer, and I got this in a past mystery bag of sorts. It could have been a while ago, but I used this today, and I just did my makeup right before filming, so I can't really speak on longevity. It's been a while since I used it because I've been trying to use up my MAC Painterly paint pot because it's not cruelty-free. And obviously, well, I shouldn't say obviously, you might not know, but I only purchase cruelty-free brands and stuff like that, so Ofra is a cruelty-free brand. Awesome. As we're turning on the air, sorry if it's loud. I'll try and adjust it. I'm too hot. But yeah, so far, this is good. I'll just do a little swatch now. It's kind of interesting. So it looks like lip balm, like in the tube. And it's not totally like opaque, so you'll still see like a little bit through like of your veins or whatever on your eyes, but it does provide some coverage, and it worked really well. I just smoothed it out. I don't know if you could see it. Let me do that again. I'll put like a little blob. So far so good. I don't have any complaints. So I'm glad this video made me dig through my stuff. I was actually digging. I couldn't find one highlighter that I really like, but I found it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna include swatches of this, but I'll keep you updated on my thoughts. I'll try and use this like the next week or something, because this 40% off deal does go all weekend. But I'm sure like out of all the things I'm showing you today, this is the least exciting in my opinion. But then I went into the palette and I didn't record myself doing it. But yeah, this is a very cool tone palette. So I went in with a like white beige shade to set the primer. I always do that. They didn't have that in this palette. But I was able to use a lot of the colors. So I went in with the shade here, Smoke, in the crease. And then I went in with shade Navy in the outer like V of my eye. And then I went in with, let's see, the middle shade there, that like blue shimmer in the outer portion of my eye. And then the shimmer down here called Razor, so Deep Burn Razor. I don't know why I'm telling you the names, doesn't matter, at least in my opinion. And then I put a little bit of that white highlight in the inner corner and also in the middle of my eye. And I used it as a highlight. So I would count this as another highlight shade by Ofra. And like I said, I think their strengths are highlights, if you like blinking highlights, and also liquid lipsticks. I'm looking at my eyes in this mirror, which is really good quality, by the way. And yeah, there's absolutely no creasing at all yet. It looks good. So I have like a little mascara. I think I'm ready for a new tube of, you know what. Oh man, I already sweat off the makeup under my nose. Is there a primer anyone know that stops the sweat from taking off your makeup or foundation? Please, please let a hot Florida girl know. Temperature hot. Maybe I'm a little hot today. Look at it in my hair. I like at a southern accent there. So yeah, that was the first item. And if it is listed for sale on their site, I will link it down below along with the pricing. And again, this is limited edition. It's the Black Friday palette. I think that's so cool. And I don't even know if I said, but I like the formula. I like their shimmers the best over the mattes, but I've said this before, I'm just a shimmer girl. I get more excited. Like I don't like get excited to swatch mattes. I'm all about the shimmers. And I had a feeling they'd be good because their highlight formula is so good. So yeah, so far so good in this box. And then the next item, I got a liquid lipstick in Pasadena, and I actually have this shade, but it is definitely expired. Remember I told you I was like trying out some old lipsticks and I had a reaction? I don't know if it was to that, I tried a bunch, but I must have gotten that 3 years ago or 2 years ago. And I'm pretty sure the shelf life is a year on liquid lipsticks. But anyway, so this is a pretty like mauve shade, mauve brown, I think is how they describe it. Universally flattering mauve pink brown shade is an everyday essential, and I love this. So where did I put my old one? So yeah, I have the old one like in the older packaging, and I swatched them side by side and smelled them, and this one's definitely bad. So I'm actually really glad I got this shade, and I think this might be one of their best sellers. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I like how they said it's universally flattering, and they didn't like send some crazy shade. If you guys have gotten mystery boxes, sometimes they just send you the things that aren't selling. Like I think this is the shade that sells because it's so pretty. I have it on my lips now, of course. I have all the stuff I'm showing you. And I love it. These dry down all the way, and I think they're comfortable. And you can wear gloss over top, but I feel like gloss makes it a little bit more transferable. And they last so long. They're even called long-lasting liquid lipstick. I just love their formula. It's not too drying, it lasts, and doesn't transfer. So again, at the end of this video, I will insert a photo of all the swatches, and I'll try and make it clear what's what. And again, they will be on the highlight reel. How many do I have? Whoa, I have a 12, but I'm going to throw one away. I think another one here is old too. I got it, I think maybe in Chicago, like 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. But yeah, I have like 10, 12 Ofra lipsticks. The next item I use, I think this is what is considered not to be full size, or it is, because it is a little blush, but it's still not that little. Like I can't imagine going through this. I've been trying to pan a mini blush like from a different brand for like years. So this is their blush in Winter Rose Glow, and this little compact even has them here. So this is more warm toned, I would say, than the look I went for, but I like this. It looks like you kind of got a little like kiss the sun, you know, like a little sunburn, but not really. Like, and I think it's super pretty. It looks like there's like a little sheen, like it's kind of like satin. So when I swatched this earlier, I don't know why I'm swatching it again, I just want to look at it because I think it's pretty. I did like a normal swatch like you do eyeshadow, and I'm like, that is never how blush looks. So then I went in light-handed, like with my finger again, and then I did a swatch next to it with a brush, like how it looks on the cheek before you build it up and stuff. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys. But I think this is the first time I've ever tried an Ofra blush, and I really like it. So again, I'll have to keep you updated on like longevity and stuff like that, but yeah, so far I'm loving this. The last item I got is an eyeliner in black, and this is the least exciting to me, but I did use it. If you guys have been following me, you know I've been on an eyeliner like journey. I've been trying to learn how to do wings and stuff, but normally I use like a brush tip or a felt tip. This is just like a pencil one, and this is, did I say already, just their black eyeliner? But I mean, I guess, again, this is good to put in because more people get use out of it than if they put like magenta or bright pink. Magenta would be cool. But so I did use it today. It is black, but I'm used to using the liquids. I did a baby wing. I'm looking over here because I have a mirror, sorry. And it's just, yeah, it's not as dark as I would like, but I think this would be best for your waterline or just for outlining your eye, not for wings. But it is like kind of dry. When I was swatching it, it felt dry, but it's actually nice because it doesn't move on your lids. Like I've used like really creamy eyeliner formulas and they just don't stay. So I think this will stay. It was easy to use. It's not super black, but it did the job. I think it looks fine. It was really easy and quick compared to me trying to use the other type of eyeliners. So these are definitely easier for me still. I'm learning, but yeah. So you guys, that was everything. And I thought it was pretty dang good. I was able to use all of it. I liked the look. I liked the formula of everything. And I even like the highlight from the palette. Well, of course I do. I said that's like my favorite thing. Hopefully you guys can see. So what I'll be, oh, I just dropped water. I've done this a lot lately. Good thing I leave my water on a stool and then my electronics somewhere else so I don't have to worry about it because I know this stuff happens to me. And I have cats that just like spaz out. Has Archer meowed yet? I'm gonna wrap this up and we will see. So I have a lot of highlights. I thought I had more. I have 6 highlights, a bronzer that I will include in swatches. I like and recommend all of them. I have 2 lip liners. I think I do. So this Plum Perfect, it doesn't say Ofra on it, but it might be their old packaging. Like I'm pretty sure this is Ofra. Like maybe it like rubbed off, but I used that today and I like it. I need to swatch these still. And then in my last video when I did the build your own kit, I got the Ofra lip liner in Spicy and I've been using this and I like it. So I honestly really like Ofra as a brand overall. One more thing I have is the Ofra makeup fixer. So this is like a setting spray. The only thing that this is an intense spray. Like, you know, they say to hold it like 6 to 8 or 8 to 10 inches from your face. Like really do that because after I spray this, I'm like soaked, but it sprays evenly at least, but I have to use my fan. But usually I don't actually hold them that far away. So it's a strong mist. It's an even mist though. And I don't know, I have like, this is a mini or does it come in a bigger size? I don't know. You can see I've used a decent amount. It is a good setting spray. Just wanted to point out that it is intense, but I don't know if there's different sizes. You know, sometimes they'll have a different like spray thing, whatever they're called. Is there anything else I have to show you? Oh, there's one thing I never use just because of my like complexion. It's a banana powder. And I might have other stuff from Ofra too, but this, I'm filming at 10. Hopefully this is up by midnight, but at least the sale is all weekend. So yeah, I just feel like banana powder, I'm gonna try it again now that this reminded me, but I'm so fair, I feel like it makes my under eyes look weird. It doesn't like correct, and I don't really have like super dark circles. I deal more with puffiness, but if you guys like this, and also they have these little compacts, you can make like a quad if you want in here. The Eye Palette by Ofra, patent pending. But that was everything, guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope the pictures I'm showing now will be helpful. And yeah, I love you guys. Did you guys shop today? Let me know what you got. I haven't gotten anything else yet, unless you count this box, which I bought a few days ago, so I don't really count it, in the Ipsy video. So I did like a Black Friday. I did a couple Black Friday videos. I'll link them all down below. So thanks again for being here. Special thanks to my channel members. I'm gonna cut this short because I am hot and you guys are probably like, stop rambling, biatch, but okay. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.